Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are excited about listen today. Now we will discuss about respiratory system. Have you ever experienced a change of voice for decreased sense of smell? When you have a cold, have you ever observed that your breathing becomes faster and more laborious when you actually pay attention to it? This process illustrates the complexity of your respiratory system. You could survive without food for days to months, but if you stop breathing for 5 minutes or more, your brain would die. Your respiratory system has small involuntary muscle, but sometimes when you need to, you can actually control your breathing. What are the functions for the respiratory system? The main function of your respiratory system is for gas exchange. This involves getting oxygen from atmosphere and expelling carbon dioxide into the environment. Additional, this system contribute to your voice and allow you to talk, shout, and sing. It also serves the sense of vacation or smelling and allow you to enjoy different scents. What are the part of the respiratory system? Okay, I will explanation one by one in the next slide. Respiratory system, the organ system that consists of organs used in the process of respiratory or breathing is called respiratory system. During breathing or respiration, we take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. The process of respiration occurs in the lungs. Inhalation, the process of taking in air, is called inhalation, and this air provides oxygen to our body. Exhalation, the process of breathing the air out, is called exhalation, and this air expels carbon dioxide from our body. Breathing, inhalation and exhalation together is known as breathing. Part of respiratory system, mouth and nose. Top, mouth and nose, we take in air. Our nose and mouth are lined with mucous membranes. Mucous membranes keep the nose and mouth moist. Air we breathe enter our lungs through the nasal cavity or buccal cavity. The nasal cavity and buccal cavity are lined with mucous membrane that make the inhaled air moist and warm. Moist and warm air does not harm the delicate internal organs. Nasal cavity is lined with cilia that are small hairs that filter out any dirt particle from the inhaled air. If we breathe in through the mouth, less filtering is done as there are no cilia in the buccal cavity, so it always better to inhale through your nose. The next organ system, respiratory, any pairing. Pairing is the next part of your respiratory system. Is the intermediate part between the nasal cavity and pharynx is divided into three separate sections: nasopharynx, oropharynx, dan laryngopharynx. Nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. And epiglottis, larynx, it ensures that the air from the larynx enters the larynx. Esophagus, and epiglottis, esophagus, trachea, Larynx is the commonly referred to as voice box. Trachea Trachea, colloquially called the windpipe, is cartilaginous tube that connects the larynx to the bronchi. Everything you need to know the trachea is the like structure within the neck and upper chest. Bronchi, the lower end of the trachea split into two bronchus which are known as primary bronchi. Smaller bronchi. The bronchi continue branching into even smaller bronchi and create a tree-like structure in both the lungs. These are smaller tertiary branches of the bronchi. Alveoli are small round sepsa where actual exchange of gas takes place in the lungs. The alveoli are surrounded by capillaries, which is the actual place for exchange of gas in the lungs. Any capillaries load. This capillary brings carbon dioxide from the body to be exchanged with oxygen inhaled by the lungs. Carbon dioxide from this capillary enters the alveoli, and the oxygen from alveoli enters the capillaries. Thus, the blood takes oxygen again and is supplied to the whole body. Lungs. The two organs located inside the thorax region are known as lungs. Are surrounded by a membrane that provides them with enough space to expand. And then two lobes left lungs and three lobes right lung. Lungs are like a sponge and made up millions of small cells located at the end of bronchioli called alveoli. Alveoli are filled with air when we breathe in. This is actually a place where the exchange of gas takes place through capillaries. Muscle of respiration. Muscle the respiration surround the lungs and allow the inhalation and exhalation process. The main muscle in the diagram, a thin set of muscle at the bottom of the thorax. Diaphragm contract and move up. When we breathe out, it moves down and relax when we breathe in. There are also a lot of muscles located between the ribs. They help to compress and expand the lungs. Breathing in and breathing out. And internal different living beings have different type of respiratory system. Some amphibian and with toads and earthworm. Insect, trachea, spherical. Plants breathe small opening called stomata present on the leaf. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.